stays the same. I wish I could change it all, but I'm so scared to lose it all. All the voices in my head don't wanna listen now.
This is plane of the plumbing work. This is the first toilet. The second toilet. The third toilet. And this is the last toilet. Now it's the one for the security.
Hold on, hold on, hold on. I'm just trying to hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. I'm just trying to hold.
Welcome again to my YouTube channel, and today is Tuesday, August the 2nd, 2022, and we are still on site, farm where we are building the 20,000 capacity recirculating system. We are then building the pond, the 20,000 capacity pond, and built the buildings as well, and we are at the finishing stages of the buildings. And this is the 3-bedroom farmhouse. This is the security house. That is the store over there, and also we have the tank stand. We decided to go for the pillar type of tank stand. So this one is going to be taking 3 tanks, and we have another one that will be serving the archery. Is going to be carrying just 1 tank. So this is the hatchery. We are at the finishing stages of this building. We plastered outside of the building, and we started plastering the inside. We've done every other thing. The electrical works, the electrician has laid the pipes for the electrical works inside for the building. Likewise, the store and the security house, we've done the ceiling. Likewise, the door frame has been fixed. We've plastered 2 of the rooms. This is 1 room. We finished plastering the toilets. They will do that later. The plumber has worked on it and well. This is the 2nd room, which we've plastered the room as well. Then this is the 3rd room. They are almost done with plastering the 3rd room. Work is almost done here. If you've not watched the previous video from where we started building the archery down to the recirculating system, the pond, I'll put the link to those videos up on the screen and also in the description box, so watch it.
I know, be the one I need, changes everything. You know, start it all again, tryna love me. I can't.
Hey guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Today is Friday, August the 5th, 2022, and we are at the latter part of the finishing stage of the buildings on this site, the Ogun State, Nigeria. They plastered the farmhouse, they plastered the store and the processing room, and now we are plastering the security house. Today Friday, they will finish plastering the security house today. Then the plumber will finish his work. The tiler is working also on fixing the tiles for the toilets of all the rooms, including the toilets in the security house. I'm going to be showing you the progress of how it's going. So keep on watching. If you want to do something of this, wherever you are in the world, you can make this dream of yours come true. So just send me an email showing in the description box, and also tell me a WhatsApp message, the number showing on the screen and also in the description box. Keep on watching the finishing of what is going on. We started fixing the door. This is the entrance door. We have fixed the kitchen door. We're fixing the tiles for the toilet. This is the second toilet in the house. We're almost done with fixing the tiles for that. We're going to fix the tiles for this. This is one of the toilets. So after fixing that, it will remain one that will be fixed. Then the floor will be done. Plastering both the inside and the outside. They are done with the flooring of all the rooms of the whole house, including the kitchen and the store. And this is the security house. This is the floor of the room. The ground floor. The floor of the veranda of the toilets.